already started construction chapter. Now we discussing construction 6.2 in the type of B construction. It means to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle when numerator is more than denominator. For this example I took from your exercise 6.1, which is the third one. So what gives? See, construct a triangle with the sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Here already one triangle's 3 sides gave that 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and given ratio see what gave us 7 by 5. Important thing means here this is there 7 by 5. Here numerator is more than denominator. When numerator is more than denominator, that time for given triangle similar triangle is outside coming. So for this now construction we step by step we solving that. Step 1, draw 7 cm one line segment which have any name. So first we 7 cm one line segment drawing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and this line segment name give P and C, which have a 7 cm line segment. Step 2, take a compass. In that compass take a 6 cm from your measure scale from 0 to 6. Here this like 6 cm distance take in a compass, and needle of this compass put on a point B, and what do? One arc draw. This like arc drawn. Step 3, take a 5 cm distance now in a compass from your measure scale from 0 to this 5 cm we took here distance. Now needle of this compass put on a point C, again one arc draw which intersect this previous arc. Where these two arcs are intersecting each other, that point name give a A. What we give a A. Now step 4, join this AC and AB. Join these points AB and AC. When we join this, we getting a triangle ABC, which is a given. BC is a 7 cm, AB is a 6 cm and AC is a 5 cm, which is a given triangles. 3 sides we provide you how to construct with here. Step number 6, draw one PX ray through point B which have any length. This PX ray be drawn, and on a BX take a 7 equal points. Numerator side which is a bigger number is that much what do that equal points take on a BX ray. On a BX take a equal points. I took here 1 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This 7 equal points we took, and each point name give names, that is a B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now here important thing, again that ratio C 7 by 5, in that which is a very smaller 5. Now B5 that consider B5 and C this joint which is a step number 7. This B5 and C what do this join. Step number 8, what do this BC line segment increase this BC be increased. Similarly this AB line segment also to what do that increase. In a step number 8 what we did, this BC increased up to that E, and AB increased up to EF. This like that increase. Now in step number 9, take a compass. In that compass take any some distance. I took care this much distance in a compass, and needle of this compass what do put on a B5 and what do? One arc draw. One arc draw. This like drawn. Similarly, now here, which is the larger number in a ratio is there 7. So what do that? Needle of this compass B7 on put again one arc draw. This like drawn. Now here previous arc where we're intersecting, that much distance take in a compass. So this much we are really getting in a compass. Now needle of this compass where second arc intersecting this BX ray, there needle of this compass put and one arc draw. Now here two arcs intersecting each other, that intersecting point and B7 through passing one parallel line draw, which is a B5 and C4 is a parallelism. So when we drawing this B7 through passing one line segment, we getting here parallel line for BC, and where this B7 intersecting this B line, that name give a C dash. Now B7 C dash, which is a parallel for B5C. Same step in a 10th. What do that? Again one, whatever that took in a compass distance, that much only needle of this compass what do that? Needle of this compass put on a point C, and what do this? Again one arc draw, this like, and same needle of this compass put on a C dash, same arc draw, this like we drawn, and previous arc where we are intersecting, that much distance take in a compass. Here this much we distance took in a compass, same distance needle of this compass where arc intersecting there put and one arc draw, this like we drawn, and one line draw which passes through this intersecting arcs and C dash through. If it this line drawn means we getting again one parallel line which is a C and this A dash, where intersecting this there what we do the A dash, C dash and A dash which is a parallel for AC. If you neatly observe means here again one larger triangle got A dash B C dash, which is a similar triangle for given triangle ABC. So this here right triangle ABC, which is a given triangle, is a similar for we drawn triangle what? Triangle A dash B C dash. This is a required construction for given triangle. Similarly, what do that? You that solve. Thank you for watching.